Magandang buhay! Ako si Teacher Faye at welcome sa ating math class. Sa araw nito, ang ating topic ay formulating the rules in finding the next term in a sequence. Number sequence. A number sequence is a list of number which successive terms follow a rule or a pattern. So, ibig sabihin, ang number sequence ay set ng numbers or terms na merong rules na sinusundan, rules or pattern na sinusundan, tulad ng mga bilang na ito. So, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45. Itong mga bilang na ito ang isang halimbawa ng number sequence. So, ang 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, ang tawag sa mga bilang na yan ay terms. So, 1 is the first term, 3, second term, 6 is the third term, 10, fourth term, 15, fifth term, 21, sixth term, 28, seventh term, 36, eighth term, and 45 is the ninth term. So, this number sequence consists of 9 terms. So, para sa ating unang number sequence, ating alamin kung anong pattern ang ginamit upang mabuo ang number sequence na ito. So, gagamit tayo ng table. So, meron siyang bilang hanggang 1 to 50. So, sa tables na to, bibilugan natin ang mga bilang na bumubuo sa number sequence. So, simulan na natin bilugan. Bilugan natin ng 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, at ang huling number sequence ay, ang huling term ay 45. So, lahat ng bilog ay ang mga terms na bumubuo sa ating number sequence. Ngayon, para malaman natin ang pattern na ginamit, bilangin natin ang difference nung dalawang number. So, ano nga ba ang difference ng 1 at saka 3? Okay? So, we have 1, 2. So, 2. So, ang difference ng 1 at saka 3 ay 2. So, ibig sabihin, plus 2. So, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So, tingnan ulit naman natin ang difference ng 3 at saka 6. So, ano ang difference ng third term sa second term? So, bilangin natin 1, 2, 3. So, ang difference ng third term to second term ay 3. So, ibig sabihin, plus 3. So, 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So, tignan naman natin ang difference ng fourth term sa third term. So, bilangin natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the difference between fourth term and the third term is 4. So, ibig sabihin, plus 4. So, 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So, ngayon naman, difference between the fifth term at saka sa fourth term. So, bilangin natin. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ang difference ng fourth term sa fifth term ay 5. So, plus 5. So, bilangin uli natin ang difference between 15 and 21. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, plus 6. So, 15 plus 6 is equals to 21. So, again, difference between the 6th term and the 7th term. So, let us count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the difference between the 6th term and the 7th term is 7. So, plus 7. So, 21 plus 7 is 28. Then, difference between 8th term and 7th term. So, let us count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, plus 8. Then, difference between the 9th term and the 8th term. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, we have plus 9. So, ang pattern na ginamit ay plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, and plus 9. So, this time, we're going to find the missing 10th term, 11th term, and 12th term. So, ngayon, ang gagamitin natin ay yung pattern na na-discover natin kanina. So, para makuha natin yung 10th term, 11th term, and 12th term, let us write first the numbers in column. Then, gagamitin na natin yung pattern na plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, plus 11, and plus 12. So, hanggang plus 12 lang tayo kasi ang kailangan lang naman natin is the 12th term. Okay? So, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. 15 plus 6 is equals to 21. 21 plus 7 is equals to 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 9 is equals to 45. 45 plus 10 is 55. So, 55 is the 10th term. So, we will put 55 on the 10th term. So, 55 plus 11 is 66. So, 66 is the 11th term. Then, let us put 66 in 11th term place. So, we have 66 plus 12 is 78. So, 78 is the 12th term. So, we have 55, 66, 78 are the 10th, 11th, and 12th term. So, we have 55, 66, 78. Okay. So, this kind of number pattern, we call it arithmetic sequence. In arithmetic sequence, the difference between one term and the next term is constant. So, ibig sabihin, we just add the same value each time. So, ina-add lang natin yung ating same value infinitely. So, let us find the missing first and second term. So, in this kind of number sequence, so, magsisimula tayo sa highest number. So, we have 73, 70, and 67. So, if we're going to get the difference between the fifth term and the fourth term, so the difference between 70 and 73 is 3. So, we have to subtract 3. Okay, so minus 3. Then, the difference between 70 and 67 is also minus 3. So, kaya tayo nagma-minus kasi pabalik tayo. Inuna natin yung mataas na bilang. Kanina, add ang ginamit natin kasi nauna yung smallest number. So, since na ang nauna ay highest number or ang given ay highest number, so we have to subtract. So, 67 minus the second term. So, 67 minus 3 is 64. So, the second term is 64. Then, let us get the difference between the second term and the the first term. So, minus 3. Again, minus 3. So, we have 64 minus 3 is 61. So, the first and second term is 61 and 64. So, we have 61 and 64. This kind of number sequence pattern, we also called arithmetic pattern. So, lagi nyo tatandaan, ang arithmetic pattern is to add or subtract to a given set of terms. So, pag nagsusubtract ka or nag-add ka, arithmetic pattern yon. So, if you're going to check if your answer is correct, so this one, 61, is, so pag check natin, plus 3 naman. 61 plus 3 is 64. 64 plus 3 is 67. 67 plus 3 is 70. And 70 plus 3 is 73. So, our answer are correct. Let us try another one. So, this time, the missing term are the second term and the fifth term. Okay. So, let us look the number between the two missing terms. So, we have 12 and 24. So, if we're going to add the two numbers, parang medyo hindi pwede kasi malaki ang lalabas kasi magiging 12 plus 24 ay 36. So, hindi siya tutugma dito sa ating second term. So, let us try to divide. Divide the fourth term by the third term. So, we have 24 divided by 12 is equals to 2. So, try natin yung 2 na quotient. So, let us multiply the first term by 2 para makuha natin ang second term. So times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? Check natin kung magtatama yung second at saka third term. So, again, multiply 6 times 2 is equals to 12. So, correct. So, 12 is the third term. Then, multiply again. So, 12, multiply it by 2. 12 times 2 is 24. Then, the fifth term, 24 times 2 is 48. Okay, so 48. So, the second term is 6 and the fifth term is 48. This kind of number sequence, we call it geometric sequence. So, when we say geometric sequence, geometric sequence, its term is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nagmumultiply or nagdi-divide, so it is a geometric sequence. So, tatandaan, arithmetic sequence, add or subtract. Geometric sequence is to multiply or to divide. Okay, another set of number sequence, 4, 12, 36, and the missing term are fourth term and the fifth term. So, let us try to divide the second term by the first term. So, 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3, and the third term by the second term. So, 36 divided by 12 is 3. So, since that they have the same ratio or the same quotient, so, yun ang gagamitin natin. So, we have to multiply it by 3. So, 4 times 3 is equals to 12. 12 times 3 is equals to 36. 36 times 3 is equals to 108. 108 times 3 is equals to 324. So, the fourth term and the fifth term is 108 and 324. So, again, this is an example of geometric sequence. See you on our next lesson in mathematics. Thanks for watching! Hanggang sa muli, ako si Teacher Faye, nagsasabing mag-aral mabuti upang buhay ay mapabuti. Huwag kalimutan i-like at sa ngayon lang nakapanood sa aking channel, i-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell and share this video. Paalam!